Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Eratication is a Diphacinone rodenticide. This product is a synthetic rodent bait that works by causing the rodents to hemorrhage or bleed internally. Eratication is labeled to control Norway rats, roof rats, and house mice. Before using eratication, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, and you will need a tamper-proof bait station. Since eratication is a ready-to-use bait, there is no mixing necessary. Make sure to wear gloves anytime you handle the bait, clean and refill the bait station, or move the location of the station, not only to ensure safety and sanitation, but also because the rodents will smell human scent on the bait and bait station and will avoid it, making the bait less effective. Place 2 to 8 blocks of eratication in each bait station, depending on the pest. Each bait block is pre-drilled for easy installation into the station. Place each station 15 to 20 feet apart. Focus on areas where the rodents frequent, such as small holes or entrances to their burrows and along walls, as rodents do not like to travel across open space. Maintain a constant supply of bait for at least 15 days for best results. Keep bait stations and bait out of reach of children and pets. Eratication takes 2 to 4 days to kill rats and mice after they eat it, so it will not create bait shyness. Remember to maintain a steady supply of bait for at least 15 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of rodent, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card on the top right to get more information. Eratication has added food scents and is made with natural peanut butter, giving it a pleasant smell. This means it can also be appealing to children or pets to try and eat it, so it is very important to keep it out of reach. And remember, always wear gloves when handling the bait or bait stations, so the rodents will not be hesitant around the bait stations.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.